Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. I know we have new people here. We have new family members, we have new friends, we have new subscribers, whatever we call ourselves. Hi guys, thank you so much for subscribing and joining the family. I hope you guys stay and you enjoy each and every piece of content that I put out. I hope you guys relate to it more than anything, because I would love to be relatable and authentic as possible. Guys, I haven't been vlogging for like 2 weeks. Life was lifing, you know, guys. But I'm back and it's Vlogmas episode 1. This is my Vlogmas episode 1 episode. No. This is Vlogmas episode 1. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. And Vlogmas is basically YouTubers vlogging each and every day, just like Vlogtober, vlogging each and every day of till I think the 24th of December or 25th or throughout December. I'm not sure because I'm on my YouTube. But anyways, I'm going. You was going to do that of vlog. I'm going to 24. 25.
Yeah, I'm kissing.
Oh yeah, the vlog I'm going to 25. So guys, I really hope you guys are going to enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. I said to you guys, if you really love my channel, please give it a big thumbs up and comment with a heart or anything in general. Guys, keep me updated and on what you would like me to do on this channel. So anyway, I've been talking. Let me show you. I'm unboxing. So I'm gonna do unboxing. I'm also gonna do a couple of hauls. I don't think I'm gonna do a try on haul, but we're gonna do a go check haul and this unboxing, and then we have an event that we need to attend on Sunday. Quite excited for that. I'm gonna keep you updated as the days goes by. Today is the 30th of October. Tomorrow is the 1st of December. Content. So let me take a thumbnail. That is it, Tombe, or I'll just ask this friend of mine to take a thumbnail, and then YouTube is quite some time, quite a lot of work, okay? So let us do. I'm not sure about this one, so I'll end with it. I'm very much aware of what this is because I made an order myself a couple of days ago during Black Friday. I just took a chance to. So, guys, how was October for you? How was November? December, you guys, Decembering. I'm so sad because I'm not going to the beach fest on Saturday. So even the thing on my ticket that's why I sold out. So the biggest sale of the year. I didn't buy much or quite a lot. I just buy and they were on sale. All of these things, I got them on sale. I don't think above Takealot 24-hour live shopping this Black Friday. Follow us on Instagram. So there was this little thing. Now let's take a look to Haba. So the first thing that I got and I needed was this car mount. Like I said, I'm looking for a car mount, and I think this was like 85 rand. Hopefully, yeah. So I got myself a mount. It's similar to the one that I had. but I like this because you can move this and change your ayivuleki oh iyavuleka, so you just press this side and yabo. So it's just about my vlogs. I cute emotweni ngizomsusa lo uyangicika ngathi imoto taxi drive. So this goes in here. I'm going to put this on now. So we got a car mount or phone mount or phone stand. So this is it. Next thing that I got was, maybe it's Maybelline. This was so cheap. I'm gonna show you the original price and how much I got this for. I'm gonna put it in the screen. I think this was like 60 or something from 200 and something. So I got the mascara. I'm not mascara, guys. I also got myself a pore eraser primer. I haven't bought primer in quite a long time. I don't like primer, but I remember when I started makeup, I used to use this primer. So I'm just gonna give it a shot because it's summer now and I'm very oily. Next thing, oh, yes, I'm gonna give my melt, but it's a bit cheap now. Cheap skirt. So this is, guys, cellulite. So I'm trying to tackle is cellulite. One thing about me and skin, I'll try and take off my skin shame. So this is the Q10 multi 7-in-1 power firming and even oil. So izokwenza ukuthi izinto zami amathanga amaqine guys ezobisama kuze sikhinde kahle fanele amadolo amathanga aqine. So nansi ya quite small, but in two weeks, but in 2 weeks I'm gonna insert my prices of everything. Then why they fully okay, then why is it open and why is it so dirty? It's an expiry date and so if I get like an expiry date. Pela guys, Takealot is very dodgy these days. If you watched in Vlogmas, she was talking about how they sold her a fake ordinary product. So I got myself a placenta. If you've been here, you know about my hair condition. I suffer from alopecia, so placenta is one of the things that I suggest. So I'm gonna be using this placenta conditioning agent and biotin treatment, the futalendo each and every day because I wanna look at now. And last but not least is, why is this open? But I'm gonna put in number land without a code ep1 the barcode and check who's in. So I got myself a blemish cream demo opal. I'm already using, let me show you. So this is the one that I got. This is a blemish cream and this is the sunscreen that I'm using. If you're an OG on Instagram or any YouTube, most girlies are talking about this. So I got this. I saw on TikTok. Apparently this is working, but in a saba because in a kojic acid. But get hyperpigmentation because you see the side. So I'm gonna be using these two. I'm gonna give a review after a week or so, showing you how this has worked for me. So these are all the things that I got from Takealot. Let's move on to the next package. I am not sure because I'm gonna be working with a couple of brands this just this semester, this month. So I guess my brands. Yeah, Ellen. How? Sanda sam ngiyabonga ilonto ngani ngivakashele la. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So this is quite packed. Then I'm gone. Did you get you? I'm working with. So I won't show you guys this, but it's something. So if you want to see what I got, you have to watch the next. Is it the next? I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it next, but the next unboxing, luxury unboxing, I'm gonna be doing this unboxing. You wanna know green Gucci, which means it's Gucci by Gucci. Ooh, I don't know if I should continue doing unboxing. Then there is foschin. So I think I'm gonna do this unboxing and then we're done. So okay, let me start with the least exciting thing. So this is foschin. Foschin has the purple bag and now I don't know. Then from foschin I got myself this cutie. I know it looks like a t-shirt that I have from Woolies, but it's a different type of t-shirt, but same printing. I love stripes, as you can see. And this was on sale. There was no way I'm gonna leave this. No, okay, about dropping with 30 rand. So this was 100 rand. It's a v-neck and my shoulders are different. So it's something different from what I usually would wear. But with this and the hit that I got, guys, because we can't afford Gucci, so guys, this is so cute. Woo! So I got myself this, I don't know what you call this hat, but I got this hat and it's so cute. Nice, guys. Check it out. I look so cute. Guys, imagine this hat with a white dress. That's who Lonje is a cutie. But guys, I love this. And what do you call this? Fisherman milk. Okay, I think the color is fisherman milk or fisherman. These are fisherman hats and the color is milk. So the price was $250. It's not steep. I'm gonna tell you about the quality. The only downside of this hat in Nina, guys, was in your feet. Guys, in farmer makeup, there wasn't any other hat in this color that was black. I didn't like the black, it looks so basic. And around where I stay, there wasn't any. There was one in Chatsworth and there was 3 in Watercrest, Waterfall Mall, so that's quite far. And I love this detail over here, the string, and at the periphery of the head, in the wire, there's a wire, so it ends up strong. I think I've been talking. I feel like I've been talking because I have quite a few things to show you guys. So for me today, my lovies, a goodbye. Hi guys. So today is the 1st of December. It's December in Catholic, guys. It's Vlogmas, of course. So I'm at the car wash right now. Trying to get my car washed for the weekend because I have something really exciting to share with you guys, and I'm going somewhere very exciting. And guys, remember when I said as manifesting at my event? Guys, it's happening. We are being invited to events, but I'm gonna tell you about it later on today when I get to my place, because right now in Shisa and the aircon, I want to turn on the aircon. I'm also waiting for, I'm waiting for someone because I'm going to car wash alone. So yeah, I'll update you guys later on. There is an event on campus today, but a yo teacher, it's not like for students, a yo teacher. I'm not gonna go there. It's a bit hot today and it's cool, but guys, we're trying to clear off skin for our faces for December, for the festive season, for no makeup, J look. So I'm not trying to risk my skin. How sensitive it is. So yeah, I'll update you guys as the day goes by.
It does get better than that. Nakhohlake ukuthi Kakasi FM is out and about eThekwini kwelikaBhanana namhlanje in partnership with eThekwini Municipality for the first. But she's from Nicaragua, thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, no.
The most wonderful time of the year, Sanas. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday and we're having some lunch dates with the frenzy. We at California Dreaming. We're looking all cute. Obviously it's very hot today and not wearing makeup, we're not wearing any weaves, hands. The head, I don't know if you can see me under this. Yep. I can do your bag. So let us go in and then we eat and then take cute pictures. I got my California and functions.
My baby shower.
Asikase ngale mngathoshu. Konke wabona ukuthi phezulu unjani. Noma la. Lapha ya.
Lapha ya? Abe ngakhumula ithombe zethu na.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything.
Hi guys, it's so extremely full here and it's literally
Good money I call good sign and not my money.
You got it back. You got it back. I don't so glad that I can't have this, baby. Nobody else you. Nobody else me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do. Right around the way, right around the way, right around the day. Right around the step.
And functions are taking over. We are seated at the worst table ever. I'm gonna do this because we believe in the shade. We seated at the worst table and it's so noisy. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna hear me even, but if not, I'm gonna put music over this and then we'll talk later.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Body kesanas. Ay bo, labayan, lava. Kesan. As you can see, there are literally people there.
I want it. I want it. Yeah.